let off the trigger. Now it's working. Now it's not. You know, when I first bought this and I cleaned it, did the whole 9 yards. No problems with it. We've all seen that here on YouTube. Worked just fine. You know, it was a little bit gritty or whatever, but I count that to it being brand new. It's almost like something is on the inside of it and catching in here. Something's catching. Now, on that first video I did, I told y'all about a guy that was having problems with the trigger and cylinder locking up, and he removed this and oiled it and the whole 9 yards. I think this goes beyond that. Now it's working again. See? That shouldn't be doing that.
Revolver can stick.
And before anybody says anything, there's nothing worse than dry firing a revolver. But I'm only doing this for the video purposes. Maybe all that rim oil I put on here is starting to take effect. I don't know. Maybe the gun's still stiff. Maybe it's where it's not breaking in. But, you know, it's hanging up, as you saw a few minutes right there.
It might come down to the manufacturer.
See? That's not supposed to do that.
A cheap gun
Let's go back over here to the table.
or expensive gun can stick.